Hi, I'm Ava. I always knew I wanted to be in business, but I wasn't sure where to start. In high school, I worked at Shoppers Drug Mart in cosmetics part-time as my first job. My manager really enjoyed the Algonquin College Advertising, Marketing, and Communications Management program, which inspired me to apply. During my program, I joined a sorority, which was a fantastic way to make friends and practice the skills I was learning, like project management and event planning. Being on the executive board helped me grow as a leader. After I finished my diploma, I decided to further my education with a degree. There was a transfer pathway into the Bachelor of Digital Marketing and Communications program, which meant I could get my diploma and degree in just 5 years. During my degree, I returned to Shoppers Drug Mart for my co-op to run the store's social media, handle analytics, and create email newsletters. This hands-on experience was invaluable and gave me a real taste of the industry. If you're considering furthering your education, just go for it. With a diploma, degree, and co-op completed, I've grown so much as a person and I'm confident about my future.